Each year, thousands of visitors descend upon the Deschutes River, making it one of the most popular rivers in Oregon. Warm sunshine, reliable water levels, and easy access to exciting rapids define this recreational whitewater playground. River Drifters offers a number of trips on the lower Deschutes, from a single-day adventure to a 5-day rafting vacation. Our most popular trip is the full-day package, covering 14 miles of primetime whitewater rafting. A riverside barbecue awaits rafters halfway to curb restless appetites. Then, immerse yourself in the cool, refreshing waters, soak up the sunshine, and thrill to the call of Class 3 rapids. The Deschutes River is perfect for families, organizations, and first-time rafters seeking adventure and relaxed whitewater excitement. Our professional and lively guides strive to deliver a safe, exciting, and enjoyable ride for all of our guests.